If you've ever traded meme coins, you know how intense it could be. You could either make thousands of dollars or you can lose thousands of dollars in minutes. For the next hour, I'm gonna be locking myself in this room and trying to trade meme coins to show you guys realistically how much you can make. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars in meme coins and I just wanna give myself a challenge and see if I can make some in an hour. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. All right guys, so as you guys can see, I am using Axiom to trade and I'm gonna have the P&L chart right up here. Now for today, I'm already up 6K. All right guys, ready? 3, 2, 1. And here's what I usually do. I either look at migrated coins that have a lot of global fees. Now it means that a lot of people are still trading these coins. And basically I'll be opening up new coins over here. So different coin, this is a OG. Looks like it's getting some good volume. It's just business. It looks also like a very good coin to stare at, but obviously I'm looking at these two now. I always use the second chart. And as you can see, this coin is pretty dead. Now it doesn't have DEX, so if someone pays DEX, this could send, but I would want my entry to be below 10,000 just so that the risk is lower. Now we have different coin here. This might be a good bid. I'll show my 4 wallets. Now if it pulls back down here, then that would always be good. Now let's see the buyer's average price. It's 8K, 6K. These two are fine. They bought way up here. And let's check out the community. If it goes lower, I might ape. Okay, I entered on different coin. Now the reason is because it is different. I have not seen it before. I would love a reversal. Looks like someone just bought 2 SOL worth. How the volume is going. So as you guys can see, this is catching some good volume right now. I could sell right now already for a profit. I'm gonna sell these 3 wallets and let's see how they react to that, because either they eat the dip or they don't. Now I would love for it to break up here, make higher highs. There you go. We have some new buyers coming in. As you can see, this means they're new, the little star. Yeah, and this is really good. So it looks like people are interested in this coin. It looks pretty dead right now. I mean, I'm only doing these little 1 SOL buys just to get more people interested. I'm just gonna clip out. Coin's kind of dead, but first project we made 0.7. Okay, well, I'll just show you guys the trades after, but as you can see, we made $100, our first coin. So let's go on to the next one. Okay guys, I found our potential 2 next coins. Now it's been almost 10 minutes. And as you guys can see, that was a good exit. It says that we made 0.4. In reality, we made like 0.7 it shows here. So it's all right, it's a little glitched. I'm waiting for a pullback on, but it looks like it could be a pretty good coin to get into right here. I need this guy to sell. That's the... Okay, that was a really bad entry, but I guess we're in. Oh, and he sold, nice. Okay, we're in on this coin, and now we just gotta see how it goes out. The entry was a little iffy on this one, but I like the name, Send Door, and then it's a door sending whatever. So I think the community should make it go at least to like 15K alone. A community is a very big thing to look for when you're trading, especially. And as you guys can see, even though our entry was pretty bad, it was like around here, we still are up almost 1 SOL already, like 10K, but we're more focused on this one for now. Now here's what I'm watching is this filter, by the way. This is how you filter it, put minimum $10. This is what I'm looking for, are these little stars. Basically means new traders are coming in, finding this coin interesting, and they're entering. Now also what you want to look for is when the average person bought. So this person bought at 5K, which is pretty risky because they have more leverage with when they exit. So he literally bought all the way down here. Therefore, if he sells, it's going to make a huge impact on the chart, especially since he only bought with 1 SOL and now it's worth like, what, 2 SOL almost. So he's 2x'd his money. Now, right now, I mean, I don't like how it's looking. I probably should have sold on that initial pump because I don't want to spend too much of my time on a losing coin, you know? This thing is not getting enough volume for me. I usually would have sold by now, but we're down pretty substantially. So what I'm just trying to hold it out to see what happens. I'm just gonna cut my losses there. Now that was really bad. We lost 2 SOL right there. Now this thing is not updating, but I might just exit out. $180, so pretty bad. And we have what, 45 minutes left. So I'll get to you guys if I find a new coin. All right, I just entered index here. And the reason is because this trend is kind of blowing up where they use a name, and then they kind of show like, you know, an index finger, profit table. Now I feel like this could reverse pretty well. I did buy it, you know, kind of bad positioning. I should have bought down here. Sadly, I was not active when it hit that, but my goal is for a 2x at least. So the top, just saying it's funny or it's an OG or it's gonna send, these can all really help you make more people comfortable with investing now. Now this is very risky over here. Oh, Zencat is up. I'm gonna trim 100% of some wallets here. Now trading 2 coins, I wouldn't recommend if you're a beginner, but I'm literally, there you go, trading this one. And now this one, oh, that was me, huh? I did not mean to buy more here. This one I'm cutting my losses here. Let's see if someone buys, maybe make my losses a little bit less. We are pumping very well, which I love to see. Oh, I did not mean to sell. That's the worst, because now I don't want to re-enter. Yeah, I feel like we might top here. I'm just gonna sell it. Okay, I sold here. The reasoning, I don't think it's that funny, and it also does not have a Twitter community connected to it. So 100 minus 180 minus 220, and then boom, we just made $550. If I come over here, obviously this coin may go higher, but it looks like I sold pretty well. And this is more of like a working for your bag type of project. It says that we're up 1 SOL, so I'm just gonna believe that for now. All right guys, as you can see, we are past halfway through, and I did just make 2 losing trades. Now, we don't have that much time, but I'm just gonna show you how much I lost real quick. So after our huge win of a $550, we ended up losing 90, 40, $4, and then 70. Now what we're doing is just looking for the next coin, because all it really takes is that 1 coin to make all the money back. Now, yeah, the 90-20 rule, this coin looks really interesting. It actually looks pretty sendy, but it's just too high for me right now. Guys, I just entered right here. Now, the reason why is because this guy actually has a pretty good following. And then the idea is pretty good. Porta potties doesn't matter that much. Come here, look. Porta potties, 20%. Porta potties is the next one. And as you guys can see, it's starting to go. I want to go for a higher take profit here. This should be our best one yet. Now, I want to try and hold for at least 15 to 20K. I'm literally just waiting it out. This coin is a matter of time. Here you go. It's a nice entry, but some guy is saying it's a rug. The only reason is because this guy fudding, and there's no one managing the community, it looks like, which is very good. And also the only problem is that it is bundled 6%. It's literally a matter of time. I mean, I don't want to be buying too much of this. I'm trimming these wallets. The reason is because it's very slow. Someone bundled, you know, 6%, which was this guy for sure. What could have been a cooker has become dead. We literally, all we need is just these 2 people to sell. Alright guys, there's about 10 minutes left in the challenge. As you guys can see, I'm in this coin called Counter-Strike Skin Index. I think this can do very well because it's a popular game, and I especially think among traders it's a popular game. And then also there's a 5% holder right now, so everyone's literally waiting for this guy to sell. It looks like a very good coin. This is a good pullback right now too that I bought on. Rested the clock to see. I feel like this could bond, honestly. I'd like to aim for either all-time highs or bonding, but there's literally 9 minutes left. Might be the final cook. I want to see higher highs forming. How many? 8 minutes. Oh my god, this is like insane. Okay, I probably should have just sold it. I feel like a lot of people are waiting for bigger wallets to get out. Okay, I made 1 more SOL right before the timer. I think I could probably enter 1 more trade if I wanted to. Now, in this situation, I would have held. I think this coin is very good. If it came down to like 8, oh my god, this might send. It's only 4 minutes left. It's like this one's starting to nuke. If we get a giant sell, I need it down here like 8K. Okay, I'm buying more of this. See if we can reverse it. Like 10 more seconds. I'm gonna give it the, what the heck? I'm gonna give it the rest of the time, and then I'm gonna sell both. So let's see what happens. Now we literally have a minute left. Looks like no more buys are on this one. This one's dead too. Not this one sending, bro. The one that we're not in is sending. Might do some fake volume on this. Lost 0.2 here, so I mean 0.1 last trade. All right guys, so it's officially been 1 hour and I'm gonna do the math of how much we made. Now as you can see, I think we started around down here. So we probably did not make too much, but, and then we just made 200 and then we made 40. So I'm gonna just say $200 on top of this. And that means we made a total of only, honestly, probably the slowest hours right now to trade as well. We made $400 in 1 hour. So I hope you guys learned something. Hope this motivates you. And that was probably, it's literally the slowest right now. And it looks like we still were able to clutch up and make some. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you later.